Our in-laws are here. Hey, my name is Mazo Korogo. I am the uncle of the bride. We have known her since when she was a children. So let me just go straight to the point. This is the list. We have not less than 999 items here. First one, you buy a Toyota Camry, not that big light though. It's one that has more highlight for the father. You buy 2 boxes of Hollandis wrapper for the mother of the bride.
Namio!
Keke na pepe for the brother of the bride. Yes. For the family. And you buy 2 plots of land for the people, for them to farm. To tie the road leading to the compound. Chief, I am not even talk finished and you are chopping something. What are you even chopping?
I am eating Indomie BELLEFUL. Are you forgetting that we came from a very, very far journey to pay for this your daughter said? And you kept us Yakulo, you did not even give us
You know there is love in sharing. Let me test now, let me test.
I will give you that.
You need to show your love for
my
The parents of the boy need to taste this thing. Take. Hey, what is this thing? Give us a talk.
BELLEFUL.
BELLEFUL. We have decided that we're not using this thing again. Leave the 999 items. We just want one thing. Just one thing. We need you to give us 1 trailer of Indomie with BELLEFUL. Okay, Indomie BELLEFUL. We want you to bring just 1 trailer for us.